to the travel of the car. A little bit travel. Enjoy. So Brazil supermarket. Very candy. Yeah, we are here in this place for relax, have animals, family. My brother is here.
Yes,
Everybody is here. We need to pay 20 bucks for coming here, and beautiful place. It's relax place, and today we going here for relax and enjoy with the family. Everyone cascata, I don't know, say cascata in English. It's a beautiful place. Have other people in here. And oh, my car is open. I need back to for the closet. So yeah, close please, man. Close car. Yeah. So let's go. It's a beautiful place. Oh, yeah, man. What are you thinking about this place?
Oh, it's very beautiful place and very relaxed, very peace.
You want to enjoy in this day? You swim in the cascade?
Yes.
I don't know.
Of course.
Yeah, this is my family. Everybody's here. All Brazilian guys. So let's go. Now we go found to the waterfall. We have a waterfall in the place. Have you one waterfall here? And in this moment we go to found the waterfall and enjoy, because I think in the afternoon we have opportunity for swim in the waterfall. And let's go to found. Oh, have one beautiful place in here. Let's go. Yeah, this is the way for the waterfall. This is my wife. Careful, it's dangerous. Let's go. Oh, it's a beautiful thrill, and you can hear the song, the waterfall. Let's go to the fall. Do you like it? Enjoy. So it's a long day for enjoy. Yeah, man, we are here. Yeah, no, you're talking about the moments. I am and my brother. Yeah. We swim and the waterfall is good. Maybe you can see in the video. And what do you think about this moment, man?
Oh, water stay much cold.
Really cold.
It's very good, very great, very refreshing.
Yeah, we appreciate the moment. And now take one picture with my family and check it out. Let's go. here and ended the day. Now it's time to go to home. We enjoy a lot. So thank you for watching this video. It's a one day, one vacation day. Just enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. And I'm so tired now. Let's go to home, relax, and prepare myself for tomorrow work. Let's go.